Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can share your screen in Discord. To share your screen, first of all, you must have a friend. You cannot do this by yourself. And if you don't know how to send a friend request or add a friend, I have a separate video on how you can send a friend request, whose link will be in the description. You can check that video out from there. And once you have a friend in your Discord, just start a video call. And once the other person has accepted your call, just click this option where it says share your screen. And instead of your screen, you can also share the application screen only. For example, if you have Chrome opened, you can just share the screen of your application. Likewise, if you have opened any other apps, you can just share the screen of the application. But for now, let's simply go to screen, and this will share our entire screen. So just click on it, and then you can change the resolution, the frame rate, and once you're fine with all the options, click go live, and then it will share your screen to your friend. So that is how you can share your screen to your friend. And now if you go to other tabs, your friend can exactly see what's going on in your screen. And now once you're done sharing your screen, to stop it, just go to this option named stop streaming, and then it will stop the stream, but your video call and audio call will still be there. So that is how you can share your screen to your friend in Discord. So now let's simply disconnect. And there you have it. That is how you can share your screen in Discord. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.